Hello guys, welcome to our new episode, I would say new type of videos we would love to do for you. I'm saying we because it's not only me behind the scene of everything what I'm doing. So basically we chose a specific questions which we would love to answer to you because after winning Dakar 2024 we have many questions from you and we were unable to reply to you by the text form. So we decided to make this Q&A, frequently questions or whatever you want to ask this episode or type of the video. So let's hit the first question.
What surprised you the most when you went to Dakar for the first time?
But what I really remember was South America, Buenos Aires, and the start of Dakar when I was navigating. So many people, guys, so many. It was like over 1 million, maybe over 2 million people on the square, and it was just people, 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 nothing else. And it was incredible on one side, but really dangerous on the other side. Yeah, that was really surprising how many people and how many fans were there.
When you first realized that you are good enough or that you have a chance to win Dakar?
So I guess like last 3 years was kind of the thing that we knew that we could win. So we did everything to do so, and you need to sacrifice a lot, and then we achieve it. So I guess it wasn't about realization, or realizing, sorry, but basically about hard work and to get to the finish point.
You already reached or achieved your biggest goal. Do you have any other goals or dreams?
Well, it depends. So I reached the biggest goal in my sporting career as an athlete, as a driver, as a pilot. So yeah, we won Dakar. That's the biggest achievement in rally world and rally motorsport. So yes, we did that. Now to win again, it's not really easy thing. So let's see how that will go. But that's the sporting side. The other side is my business and my family. So with my family, I wanted a big family, lots of children, at least two, one boy and one girl. But we are unable to make boys, so we are just, I would say, producing girls, but we are not producing, okay? We are making girls. And at this point, I think I have healthy and happy family, which is great, and I need to make time for them, to be with them. And then there is the business side. And to be honest, there is unlimited possibilities of achievements.
How long you think you will be competing on Dakar?
Well, competing, maybe only a few years. Let's see if I will switch categories, but I'm not sure about it. But for the trucks, I want to win again, because to win again is something even harder than to win it for the first time.
Is there a rule on Dakar Rally that annoys you and you would like to change it?
Well, I have maybe two rules in my mind. First is the starting time, starting positions for the truck category, because it's always changing, and they just send you there 30 seconds behind each other. That's literally bullshit, because you are in the dust from the beginning of the stage. And then sometimes you are starting from 45th position between cars, sometimes from 70th position and so on. So this is not really something I like, and I would love to have a rule, and that rule would be for everybody the same for the whole rally. That's really important. And the second one are actually the technical rules, not only one rule, because we are waiting for FIA to finalize all the rules and all the specification, because they are new to the truck category. And it's really annoying, but we are trying our best to work with them to find a solution. So hopefully it will be there, and it will change the category a little bit, because now the truck is like a buggy, but a big one, and 10 tons. But we finished Dakar 18th overall between all categories, and they have the maximum speed on 170. We have only 140. So this is how fast we are.
After winning Dakar 24, you mentioned a new truck in the making. Can you tell more about it?
New trucks. That's what we do, not only for living, but also for racing. So basically, we are Technology. We are producers of rally trucks from the zero, okay? From the chassis until the engine and everything, the drive shafts, everything. So basically, we would love to continue with our development and to move on. That means that you need to leave, something behind, and that's also a winning truck like Chenda we have at this moment. Chenda is his name, And at that point, you need to make a decision. Either you want to move ahead or you want, you know, to keep the current vehicle you have. We decided that if it will go right and we will have the business opportunities, so we will build a new truck for me, and then Chenda will be sold. Basically, because we want to move in the development, in the production of the new trucks, and that's it.
Would you ever like to try another category as a pilot?
When you are in the top category, like trucks, and you are fighting for the first places, as we did and do, then you don't want to compete somewhere in 30, 40, 50 place, you know. So in this point, I would go to T1, or the cars, the ultimate category now called. And there, let's see, if the opportunity will be there, maybe I will do it, maybe not, maybe I will keep with the trucks. So let's see, let's keep it open.
Do you ever have fear during races?
I wouldn't call that fear. If you have fear, it limits you. And if you want to race, you cannot have these kind of limits. Of course, the limit is always you. But if it will be in your head, then you need to know how to work with it. So basically, for me, to have a fear is kind of the same to have a respect from something. And you need to turn over the fear to that respect, basically that you can control it. So first you need to control the fear, and then it becomes the respect. Okay guys, that was it. That's the first part of Q&A or frequently asked question from your side. If you like it, if you have any other questions, just go ahead, write a comment, just send it to me. If you have any other information why you did like it or didn't like it, just write it there either, okay? I will try to do my best with my team, and we will create a new episode soon, I guess in 1 month or something like that, because this will be annual thing and we would love to give you as many answers as possible, as you are the best fans in the world. Thanks a lot and keep cheering up. Bye bye.